Huh, I wonder what this assembly is about. Oh cool, a drum group! Yo, this is sick! These guys are on fire! Look at that intensity! Wait, what's going on? Are they gonna invite some people up? It looks like he's walking toward me. No, wait, me? What?
Hello? Hi.
Oh my god, please, no, don't make the foreigner go on stage!
Yeah!
Alright, screw it, let's do what we can. I think I'm just supposed to do what he does? Okay, not so bad. Alright, let's do this.